The last of our cherry tomatoes are gonna go. Beans are gonna go. We've got everything picked off. Big ol' okra is gonna go. These beans, they're gonna go. And I just have no more room in the house to bring in any more peppers. I'm gonna go ahead and let that loofah dry on the vine. And this little one got to be medium sized before it got too cold, it looks like. Our raised bed and our cold frame's gonna be just fine. And our little patch of garlic's loving this weather. The carrots we have in the ground, they're just gonna get sweeter. Same with this little patch of beets. Yeah, even under the plastic, we had quite a bit of damage. I think that's it. It's supposed to freeze hard tonight. We got ice on the buckets. Yep, hard frost. As soon as the sun comes up, that'll be it for the tomatoes and beans. We'll come out and get those seed pods off that okra. We'll take a look at the cold weather crops here as soon as the sun comes up. The cold frame had quite a little bit of water in it, but it's all drained out. These look okay. The new cabbages are doing fine. Let's see what the chard looks like as soon as they thaw out. And I'm sure our loofah's done. And we'll see what these cold weather crops look like as soon as the sun comes up. Turnips look a little singed, but the cabbages and carrots and whatnot look just fine. And then the turnips, they get a little bit of sun on them. They don't look like they were frosted at all. But all these little volunteer squash, yeah, I knew those weren't gonna make it. Carrots and the beets and the cabbage are looking great. All the basil, it did go. We did lose all the basil. Swiss chard is very cold hardy, and with just a little bit of sun on it, it's just looking great. You look at the tomato, it's gone. And I'm definitely surprised at how some of these peppers are still holding on. I wish I had more room in the house. We'll keep picking peppers as long as they last. Yeah, the okra for sure, it's done. I'm very sure the loofah's done. We'll just go ahead and let that dry. Even with the uncovered walls and the slightest bit of protection in this cold frame. Those sweet potato leaves that came up from those volunteer vines, they didn't even freeze back. Yeah, time lapse on the squash. It's about over for the year. We did come out and pick everything that was a little bigger than this. Well, it was a good run. You've always got to look for a silver lining. One of the benefits of having all the summer stuff dying back is now I know where I can mulch. So we'll finish cleaning up, well, maybe not finish, but we'll clean up the garden some more, bring in quite a bit more mulch, and then you know what we have on tap. That's right, we're gonna plant. We always plant. We're gonna plant all the way through winter. We wanna keep this garden going, and we got quite a bit that's still going strong. You can do this too. And then until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.